the site level, so you can have different databases. So again, New York can have just your restaurants as an example, or Santa Monica would be your all your restaurants. So you would create a different site if you wanted to. From the site, then it goes to building group, down to the building. You don't need building groups, but you can set up your buildings per site, because the plant building in for the Audi plant in Germany, it's named differently, right? So we want to separate it from the plant in New York. From the building, it goes down to asset location, and parts can be assigned to the asset automatically or independently. So does that clarify like site management?
Yeah. So I guess let's just say I'm the overall admin. I could go log on and like, cultivation, facility cultivation could be a site.
Yep.
Manufacturing could be a site. Restaurants could be a site.
Yep.
Rentals and sales office or something could be a site. Like all of it could be a site.
That's right. The only reason you want to use the site is if, let's say, you don't want the guys in IT, because this IT department it has all the assets related to internet technology, right? Like hardware and cabling. Those guys want to manage their own assets. They want to manage their own work orders. You don't want these guys to go into the public works site, right? So that's why you want to separate it. So whatever you just said, that'll work perfectly.
Cool.
So
that again, that looks awesome. And
cool.
then within the sites,
it's all unlimited here.
okay, so maybe buildings. Could you click on buildings?
So these 27 buildings are only in Maxpanda headquarters site.
So if I had, let's say this is a cultivation site, and then I have 3 buildings, like, or 2 cultivation buildings. So each one of those cultivation buildings could have like